I don't like that kind of brass. It sound too... Not old. The sound. You can't use trumpet and that. I don't mind when you say that you're going away. I just don't wanna be lonely. She's up and round. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. English home. She's talk of the town. Yeah. And then round and on the little. You know have to do it. You know have to go do. I am a winner. Alright. And they are the losers. They're loose. Why do you think me can't dance it? You are my boo. That's what them do. What you call it again? Dirt.
Viewers, one of the legendary studios in the history of Jamaica's music was Duke Reid's Treasure Isle, which was located at 33 Bond Street in Denham Town.
The leaders, no? Satan around the world, remember me tell you. See much millions in buy make weapon, devil Satan.
That building is now currently occupied by the great Horace Andy, whose studio is located there.
Yeah, the next one. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's you, that Frank. Na 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 na. I love it, man. I love it bad. Foot start hurt me now. Na, 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 na. Why so much violence and crying? Na na na. Why mankind kill mankind? Na na na. Why so much hatred around? Why no love can be found? Is it gone out of space? Is it gone to stay? Is there a future for us all? Where will their children play? Why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why? Mankind can't stay in the light. Why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why? Oh, the light from Zion. Love to see that bright day. Real. When true love come to stay, mothers and fathers will be, brothers and sisters will be, and all the enemies will be happy. Why so much violence and crime? You see my son dancing, senior? If you say, this is my son, that I'm willing to, you know. See them dance it, you laugh. And sweet. Why my son, I do the belly jerk. I look man, him good and do it good. Dirt. Me now wind. Mary Lou, I love you too.
A star walk has also been created in the area for some of the legendary figures who were associated with Treasure Isles.
Why man can kill mankind? For real. Why so much hatred around? Why not love can't be found? Beautiful song, man. Why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why? Mankind can't stay in the light. Why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why? Real. Oh, that light from Zion, Rastafari, Selassie. Why? Why the youth them can't burn? Watch your elders brother say, na, 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 na. No, yeah, but you know, I can do better than that, man. Rather be loved, needed, depending on to give. Love I can give when she gone. Oh, when she gone, I just don't wanna be lonely. Wanna lock in on. Not to give, love I can give when you're gone. When you're gone, I just don't wanna be alone. You're not playing a bass yet. I said the drum lame, Bridget. Yeah, man, I tell him I don't want it like what them do them start at that. I tell him, but you will start it. When I tell him, say, we can do it. Boom. She got me under control with that good hold. It's old, it's not old. It's old, it's not old.
Alright, sir. The old, okay.
Alright, sir. Oh, she makes my day. They can go highway. They can make me stray. On my boo, Mary Lou, I love you too. Oh my boo, I love you too. Mary Lou, you are my boo. Frank.
Yeah. While there, I also spoke with Horace Andy's early musical friend, Frank Melody.
Remember, film guitar. Film guitar, I learned to play and sing off. How much years ago? Over 50 years ago. For him, guitar, I learned to play and learn to sing. See, me and real brethren. We're going to studio one, you know. I don't know what we call ourselves, but this is Frank Melody.
Frank Melody.
And if him just keep singing like Frank Melody, could have been better. I say that. But him love group. Him love group, and a man love, we can't change it. Yeah. Where him really love and want to do, you know? Yeah, man, but when we like should have released the song, them, Bridget.
That's true, man. This man is a great man.
Release them, man, you know?
No, tribulation no go through, you know? But the greatest part, Horace, me love
no man can't take off your underpants, remember that.
The greatest thing I love with you, Horace, the determination you have over the years. Like, if you never have that, you wouldn't do it, you know, see.
And I don't care if we share only moments a day. I just don't wanna be lonely. I'd rather be loved, needed, depending on to give. Love I can give when you're gone. What up? When you're gone, I just don't wanna be lonely. Something sound funny, that's all. I don't mind when the time sets the sun to the moon. I just don't wanna be. It come too quick with it. You can't hear it, man. And I don't care if we share only moments a day. I just don't wanna be lonely. I'd rather be loved, needed, depending on to give. Love I can give when you're gone. When you're gone, wanna be lonely. Oh, 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 oh. I know you can't do it. I am telling. I did tell him, no, me never say book, just boom alone. See? Do. No, doom. You know, see the space. Hey. But, you know, I could have been do, and then I get do. And wait little and then do. The timing, you know? Do. Alright? But it's like how we do
Friends.
no man. Mary Lou, that kind of joke. You know, you're the whole of all of the man them I use it up to, you know, man. Yeah, man. That it go with the dance, you know. I mean, I tell him, but it's Asha, although him listen to him, still old fashion, you know. And you can we never go back to the time. Nothing can go back. Nothing at all cannot go back, my brother. And people are waiting to say when Corona done, we'll go back. We're not going, it's a different thing now. What you do? You live with it?
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!